No, you can't have the camera, dude. Sorry. Back up.
Hi, my sweet little baby. You like those back?
Oh, fuck.
Crunchy.
You know that I love you, but some get the feeling. You always is. I'm feeling down. If I say
Go get the ball. She literally took her shit and the turds off in the air. Back. Baxter, up here. Come on. Good job. Over here. Baxter, over here. What's that little tail doing?
What are you doing? It's my dog. Oh, what's she do to you? Okay. Oh, bless you.
I bless you.
Oh, Dusty. It's gonna go in the factory reset mode now.
Oh, the gun.
Okay.
There's Big Tushy. Big Tush. Did brother do a bad and slobber on the lens? Happy days. Now
He's
this is
gone.
factory reset mode. Where's your ball? Go get a stick.
No. What are you doing? Let's go. He's like, what the fuck there? Come on. Oh.
Been down in the woods lately?
No.
I was cutting the grass down towards the other end. It looked like you could get to the stream without any weeds.
Yeah, we cut all that down last year. Remember?
No,
Yeah, when I was home on quarantine.
I don't think I was down there at all.
Yeah, we took you down there, Dad.
I remember there being weeds. But even this area over here by the swing set,
Yeah.
those spruce trees, there's not too many weeds back here.
Yeah, it's kind of dead down there now. Oh, backs. Look at this, bud. It was soggy chip. Wow, this feels really nice.
That's what she said. Dude, the dog smells already.
Smelly dog. Ooh. Oh, look at that, bud. He's so cute. Come here. Got a little mister. Ah.
What are you doing? Oh my God. do? This is disgusting. Oh my. Fred, this isn't your terrain. I can't. What are you doing, dude? Don't be going nowhere.
Get over here, Smelly.
Dude, deep. We got chocolate lab there. I don't know if you can see it.
Come here. Oh, sorry.
Baxter.
Come on. There, you can't put any. He wants to try. There's one side that has less of a hole. Come on.
Good thing this is waterproof.
Yeah. Come on. Oh my God, he's so ugly right now.
I'm not waterproof though. Stop spraying me.
Come here. Come on. Come on back.
He literally just ate the pool. Like ripped a piece right out.
Right there. All right. I think we're good on water for the afternoon. Ah, not the hose!
Yo!
No! No! No!
You got me all fucked up there. Look at my...